Okay, quick unboxing of another watch. See what we got this time. Okay, just comes in this kind of basic wrap. No box, no individual box for it. It's well taped in there, and I got the scissors. Okay. Oh, it's quite a looker. Let's see. There we go. And there we go. Okay, so nice blue face, nice strap. Genuine leather. And there's the brand Megia. So I'll take that off. Again, it's got a good bit of glass on it. And it's got 3 inner dials. I'll work that out. And it's got this really neat little flick out switch. I gotta figure that out too. I don't see how that really affects. Okay, so it locks it when it's closed. It locks. If you can see that, that I guess unlocks it. Anyway, again, beautiful strap, nice looking watch. Discounted on Amazon, something like 70 something, down to about 32, and it had a lot of good reviews. So let me see. We can do this. Okay, that's what it looks like on the wrist. So again, let's see how it focuses. There we go. So really kind of stunning. Again, $32, and the reviews say it keeps good time. I'm quite impressed. Anyway, that's it for this unboxing. Hope that gives you an idea what this looks like and the kind of height and everything. But yeah, again, very nice looking watch. Please hit subscribe. More watch unboxings to come. Bye.